Yo, what's going on, guys? It's still here today, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to connect your PS4 to your laptop without any TV. Alright, you don't need any TV to connect your PS4 to your laptop. You just need this software over here. PS4 Remote Play. I will have the link in the description below, and just download it and have a laptop, of course. You don't need any TV for this, guys. But first thing first, guys, you need to connect your Wi-Fi to your PS4. Use a LAN cable over here. I'm using a LAN cable right now, or just borrow a TV somewhere, connect it with your PS4, and then connect Wi-Fi on your PS4, and then get rid of a TV, and then you don't need any TV anymore. You just need a computer, and you need a USB cable as well over here, and make sure it's connected to your PS4 controller. And you don't need your PS4 to be on. I don't really know if it works if you have your computer off right now. Not your computer, but your PS4 off. Right now my PS4 is on rest mode. It works on rest mode. I don't know if it works on if it's off. If it's off and it doesn't work, just click the power button over here. So in this you just need a USB cable. You must have your Wi-Fi connected to your PS4. Borrow a TV somewhere, or just have a LAN cable connected to your PS4. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and have this software over here. And you see here, the TV is not connected to the PS4 over here. Here's the LAN cable, here's the power cable, and that's basically it. And here's the TV over there. You see that? There's the TV, and that's basically it. And now it's not connected. Power cable, USB cable, and the controller, and it's connected, right? And the controller is not on, and the TV is not connected to the PS4. And now download the PS4 Remote Play. I will have in the description below the link. Just download it, and then now you can just connect your PS4 to your computer. You don't need your TV connected to the PS4. You don't need a TV, guys. You just need a laptop, USB cable, and Wi-Fi connection on the PS4. And then you don't need to connect your TV to the PS4. You just need a computer. And now let's just open the PS4 Remote Play. Checking for updates to make sure you have the latest update as well. And now go to settings, guys. Go to over here. Get the focus. There you go. And here you need to sign into your PlayStation network, sign into your PlayStation account. Just gonna sign in real quick. There you go. And here have it on high. If you have it on best, yeah, it's look good. But if you have a strong enough connection, and by the way, guys, it doesn't matter if you have a different connection on your laptop. Right now, we have two routers in this home. So like we have two routers. We have two internet Wi-Fi. I'm using the this one, and my computer is my PS4. Is using this other Wi-Fi over here. It doesn't really matter if you have a different Wi-Fi on your laptop and on the PS4. It doesn't really matter. Make sure that in the PS4 have a strong connection, like have the best connection, the Wi-Fi connection, and in the laptop it doesn't really matter. So in frame rate, make sure it's high. Over guys, make sure it's high, and have it on 720. It's more stable, it won't lag. And in frame rate, make sure it's high, guys. Do not go in standard, because if you have it in standard, it will be 30 FPS. If you have it high, it will be 60 FPS or more. And that's basically it. And that's how you do it. Over here, these are all my settings. If you want to copy my settings, and now just click OK, and now just start. And if you see here, my PS4 is not it's not on. It's just glowing because it's like charging. So if you see here, the PS4 is on rest mode, and you can have it on as well. If you just click the button over here, it will be on. It doesn't really matter, just click start. And now searching for PS4. It might take a while, but just be patient, and sometimes it will show like text that it doesn't work. Just do it again. Click restart again, and just keep doing it until it works. Now you see here the PS4 is now on, and now you can just wait. You see here there's no TV. If you see here the TV is not on, and the PS4 is on, but not the TV is not on. The computer is on because the computer is connected to the PS4 now. And now you just gotta wait. And this software basically is remote playing the. It's just basically remote play the image, or it's just basically remote playing the image, or whatever you want to call it. Is there you go. And now you can just full screen, and make sure the mouse cursor on your laptop is not near this black line, because if it is, it will show this GUI. And here you go. Now see here the TV is not on, and if I go over here and turn on the TV, it will not be a PlayStation. It will not be connected to the PlayStation. And see here it's on now. See here it's not connected. If I switch to HDMI 1, it's not connected. So that means it's connected to the laptop alone. All right. You don't need any TV. You just need a computer. And here you go. And it might be delayed. It just matters on your Wi-Fi, how strong your Wi-Fi is. So if it lags, guys, it's not the computer's fault. It's the Wi-Fi. So I suggest is to have a LAN cable connection, but you can also have like a wireless. So now you can just play Fortnite. Play Fortnite, or you can just put a CD. There you go, and play GTA or something, or just see here. There you go. Now you just gotta wait, and boom, the disc is now on, and there you go. Now you can play GTA, Fortnite, or whatever game you want to play. You don't need any TV. You just need a Wi-Fi connection on the PlayStation, and USB cable connected to your controller, and a software on your laptop, and that's basically it. Now here we go. And there you go. Now you can just play GTA, Fortnite, or whatever game you want to play. Connect it to your computer, and it will be displayed on your computer, and you have your PlayStation connected to your computer. And now you don't need any TV. You just need a computer or a laptop, and there you go. See here, the PlayStation is on. It's not connected to any TV. It's just connected to your computer or laptop. So here it's loading. There you go. See here. See you guys. There you go. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you connect your PlayStation to your computer. It's pretty easy, and that's how you do it. And hope you guys like this video. Drop and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
Make him spicy, Papa.